Hong Kong waste load have in general been increasing since 1986. In 2008, the per capita disposal rate of municipal solid waste was 1.35 kilograms per day. That means Hong Kong is running out of landfill space far earlier than expected. In view of this, our government has introduced Waste Reduction Framework Plan in the community in 1998 for promoting recycle. Since 1998, our government has kept on adding more recycling bins all around in Hong Kong,
including street, park, MTR station, and all residential areas.
The Environmental Protection Department conducted a survey in 2009. Indeed, the amount of recyclable waste collected is increasing continuously.
However, the graph fails to tell us exactly how many of them are come from the residential areas. Having many recycling bins nearby, how many residents are really willing to use those bins? Is the measure effective?
It is time for us to find out the truth. We have set 2 cameras in 2 different residential areas, in the hope of counting how many people will actually use those recycling bins. We find out that only 1 person on average in half an hour will actually use those recycle bins. It shows that the usage rate of recycle bins in residential areas is not very high. On the other hand, we have interviewed some citizens to see whether they enthuse in the scheme.
環保箱啊，即係
個三色箱。
接哦，有。
咁你1星期大約用幾多錢到㗎？
我2-3個星期先集埋第一次。
咁你覺得多咗環保箱之後咧，可唔可以提升到你嘅環保意識啊？
少少咯，因為唔好清晰啫嘛，你啲色。
我用環保箱㗎，即係個三色箱咧，比較上多唔多用㗎？好似好多嘅。咁你1星期大約會用幾多次到啊？1-2次啦。咁你1星期大約會用到幾多次左右？
幾多次？可能1次。
咁你覺得咧多咗環保箱之後，能唔能夠提高到你嘅環保意識啊？
可以嘅，幾好。
咁你屋企平時會唔會做垃圾分類嗰啲嘅？
It reveals that most of the residents don't use those bins frequently as they are not used to separate waste.
And most of them agree that increasing the number of recycling bins just don't help much to arouse their environmental consciousness.
在欠缺一個全面嘅回收產業嘅政策，要推動廢物循環再造嘅產業，有效咁分類垃圾，其實係第一步。
If the residents don't take part in the recycle scheme energetically, the space of landfilling in Hong Kong will be occupied in these few years. The more evil incinerators are built, the more serious air and water pollution are. If we don't want our sky become grey and live in a smoky city, we have better take action now.
Although it seems we can only contribute a little to save the environment, the actual fact is that every small contribution we make will help providing a better living condition for our future generation.